Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. And so we're on, I was gonna go like this. I have no watch on. It's day 15. What our backyard looks like. And so I'm gonna try not to be out here too long because my phone, I don't want my phone getting wet. So, not too much flooding on a rainy day today. Cutting Samuel's hair. So, bye-bye hair. Side version. Look at all that hair.
A lot of hair.
A lot of hair. Alright. We're not going to recognize Samuel when he comes back. Alright. Great clips. Alright. Samuel, any last words to your hair?
No.
No. Just you want it cut off.
Yes, I want to cut off.
Alright. A new boy will be emerging. And here we go.
Yep. Haircut.
Let's see. You have a lot of hair. Yeah. We'll have to go around. But let's see. There's the front. Oh yeah.
Front.
And then side version.
Side.
And then the back version. Okay. Oh, we should have rounded it off here. But that's okay. It's fine for right now. But look, a different boy. Let's see around the ears. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow. My goodness, Samuel. A different boy. Let's see the other side. Oh my goodness. We're back to normal, Samuel.
Back to normal.
Back to normal. Found it. Great. Let me see if I can find it again. Wait. Oh, white hair again.
Right there.
Samuel, you're not supposed to be getting white hair at 15, but I did read it was common, so we'll get that out of your hair.
Now this is a lot of rain.
Yeah, I thought for sure, but we live in a good area of no flooding. So,
Yep.
but there is still in the back of where we came from.
Yep.
There was flooding, but this is base house here, so there's actually no flooding here. But I'm afraid, like, if we go on the other side, then it is going to be flooding. So Samuel is taking the video. Look, he looks
Hello.
normal.
Yep.
He looks normal.
Normal hair.
Oh, look at that car. Look.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
Whoa. Wow. Caught that.
Whoa. That was something. Oh my goodness. Well, I lied then. That was, I forgot. So look at this.
You see, there's a lot on this side.
All right, coming up here.
And coming up here, we got a lot of water.
Okay.
Yep.
So if I was driving fast like the other car.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, look out your window.
Ooh. Yeah.
So that's what that looks like. Yeah.
Yep.
Wow, that was something.
Yeah.
So now we're going up on a hill.
Yep.
But down here, you see, more down we go, it
Yep.
collects and it's less. The
Oh,
flooding.
and here comes more rain.
Oh, look on the side here. You see on the side over here? Look.
Yep. That's a lot of whoa. There's some more splashing.
So see, since we're going down and then it collects here.
Yep. More splashing.
This is fun.
Yeah.
And it collects over here.
Yep.
Oh yeah. So yeah, that's our adventure today.
Yep. Lots and lots of rain. So up here we got a fire truck.
No, why did I call it?
Oh, there's two. Yeah, there's one there, and there's one right here. Interesting.
Something must have happened back there. See?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
just a little bit of water there.
Yeah. And then we're going to turn into our road.
Yep.
So,
Over here.
and they finally took.
Yep, and they finally took all of the leaves today.
Look, no leaves.
No leaves. No leaves.
The arbor is